this week's lineup against the Roosters, brought to you by PlayUp. Wearing number 1 for Brad Ryder's Rabbitohs Road to 21, Adam Dewey. Number 2 for CMC Interiors, Alex Johnston. Number 3 for Storage Plus, Campbell Graham. Wearing number 4 for Safe to Pay, Dane Gagai. And number 5 for Europe FX, Corey Allen. In the halves, wearing number 6 for Asset Group Solutions, Cody Walker. And number 7 for Garlo's Pies, Adam Reynolds. Up front, wearing number 8 for VSP Solutions, is the captain, Sam Burgess. Wearing number 9 for the Newmarket Hotel, Damien Cook. Number 10 for Capital City Waste Services, Liam Knight. Number 11 for Baywash Dry Cleaning, John Sutton. Wearing number 12 for Pioneer Services, Jaden Sewer. And number 13 for Spot Productions, Cameron Murray. On the interchange bench, wearing 14 for Infinity HVAC Services, Ethan Lowe. Number 15 for SNR Logistics, Tom Monet. Number 16 for Randwick City Council, Junior Totola. Number 17 for Riley and Sons Food Services, Mark Nichols. Wearing number 18 for Park and Fly, Bailey Sirenen. Named to wear number 19 this week, Connor Tracy. Named in the number 20 jersey, Kurt Dillon. And named in number 21 this week, Marweni Hiroti. Your Club 17 sponsors are proudly brought to you by Rick's Refrigeration.